Hello students of class 9, this is your advanced mathematics. In this video we will start from this is exercise 6.2 question number 19. Okay, question number 19. So in here you see question number 19, it is given the measure of three angles of a triangle are in AP. Okay, it is given that the measures of the three angles of a triangle are in AP. Okay, the measures of three angles of a triangle are in AP, and then saying if the measure of the biggest angle is twice the measure of the smallest angle. Measure of the biggest angle is twice the measure of the smallest angle. Then I have to find the angles of the triangle. Okay, then I have to find the angles of the triangle. So since the three angles of a triangle are in AP, so I will take the three angles in this way. Question number 19 solution, I will take that. Let the three angles of the triangle be A comma A plus D comma A plus twice D. Understand? Let the three angles of the triangle be A plus D, A plus twice D. Okay, these three angles are in arithmetic progression. Yes, and you see, therefore I can say that A plus D and A plus twice D are the three angles of a triangle. And if I add the three angles of a triangle by angle sum property, I get that the three angles of a triangle, if I add, is equals to how much I will get? I will get 180 degree by angle sum property. So therefore I can write A plus D plus A plus twice D is equals to 180 degree. This is by what? By angle sum property of triangles. Okay, by angle sum property of triangles. Understand? Now this one, if I solve it, I will get 3A plus 3D is equals to 180 degree. Okay, 3A plus 3D is equals to 180 degree. If I take 3 common, A plus D is equals to 180 degree. So ultimately A plus D is equals to 180 divided by 3, I will get 60 degree. Yes, A plus D is equals to how much I got? This one 60 degree I got. Let me give this as dot equation number 1. Okay, so again you see in the question it is given, that the measure of the biggest angle, in here the biggest angle will be A plus twice D. Yes or no? Because this is A plus D and A plus twice D. A plus twice D will be the biggest angle. And the measure of the biggest angle is twice the measure of the smallest angle. In here the biggest angle is A plus twice D and the smallest angle is A. So therefore, again by question I can say that A plus twice D is equals to twice A. Yes, measure of the biggest angle is twice the measure of the smallest angle. So now this one, if I solve it, how much I will get? This is your, okay, A, if I send it, that's it, twice A is equals to twice D is equals to twice A minus A. So ultimately twice D is equals to A I will get. Understand? Twice D is equals to A I will get. Okay. Now this A value I will put it in equation 1. Understand? You can write putting the value of A in equation 1. Okay, putting the value of A in equation 1, we get This is 2d plus d is equals to 60 degree. Ultimately 3d is equals to 60 degree. So d is equals to 20 degree I will get. Understand? D is equals to 20 degree. Now this d value again you put it in here. 2d is equals to a. Okay. So therefore a is equals to 2 into 20 degree is equals to 40 degree you got. Yes, a value you got. A is 40, D is 20. First term value you got and the common difference you got. Now easily you can find the three angles of the triangle. Understand? So therefore you can write, therefore the three angles of the triangle, first one is what? A, yes or no? First one is A. A is how much? 40 degree. 40 degree, comma. Next is A plus D, that is 40 plus 20, how much? 60 degree. And the last one it is A plus 2D, that is 40 plus 2 into 20. Yes, 40 plus 2 into 20. That means 40 plus 40, 80 I will get. So these are the three angles of the triangle. Understand? These are the three angles of the triangle. One time I am explaining this one. Question it is saying that, question number 19 you see, question it is saying that three angles of a triangle are in AP. So therefore I will take that, let the three angles of the triangle be A plus D, A plus twice D. Now by angle sum property we know that these three angles if I add it I will get 180 degree. From there I will get this one, A plus D is equals to 60. Again by question, another thing in the question it is given that the measure of the biggest angle is twice the measure of the smallest angle. In here the biggest angle is A plus twice D, so therefore I can write that A plus twice D is equals to twice A. This one if I solve it I will get twice D is equals to A value I will get it. This A value I will put it in equation 1. So this is twice D plus D is equals to 60 I will get, ultimately D value 20 I will get. Now D value 20 you got. Now this 20 either you put it in equation put it in equation 1 or you put it in here. Understand? Let me give this one equation number 2. Either you put it in equation 1 or you put it in equation 2. Put it in equation 2, then it will be very easy. Okay, put it in equation number 2, then it will be very easy. So A is equals to 2 into 20 I will get. Yes, A is equals to 40 I will get. So A I got, D I got, so easily I can find the terms now. Therefore the three angles of the triangle are, first is A value is 40, so 40, comma, next A plus D, 40 plus 20, 60, next A plus twice D, 40 plus 2 into 20, that means what? 40 plus 40, 80 you will get. Understand? This is your solution. Okay, very easy there. Next I will go to question number 20. So question number 20 saying the ratio of the sums. Okay, ratio. Question number 20 it is saying the ratio of the sums to n terms of two arithmetic progression. N terms of two arithmetic progression. Okay, of two arithmetic progression is 7n plus 1 is to 4n plus 27. Find the ratio of the 11th term. I have to find the ratio of their 11th terms. The ratio of the sum to n terms of two arithmetic progression. Okay, up to n terms of two arithmetic progression. That ratio is given 7n plus 1 is to 4n plus 27. I have to find the ratio of the 11 terms. Understand? The sum ratio is given. Two arithmetic progression are there. Their sum up to n terms. That ratio is given. Sum ratio. Understand? Sum ratio is given. Understand? I have to find the ratio of the 11 terms. So in here solution, so in here I can write given. Okay, I can write given that Sn by S dash n, okay, Sn by S dash n is equals to 7n plus 1 by 4n plus 27. Okay, where yes, Sn by Sn dash is equals to 7n plus 1 by 4n plus 27. Okay, now you see Sn, how I can write? Sn I can write as n by 2 twice a plus n minus 1 into d by this is Sn dash S dash n. How I can write? S dash n I can write as n by 2. This will be twice a dash plus n minus 1 into d dash is equals to 7n plus 1 by 4n plus 27. Okay, 7n plus 1 by 4n plus 27. So in here this one and this one you cut. Ultimately I will get twice a plus n minus 1 d by twice a dash plus n minus 1 d dash is equals to 7n plus 1 by 4n plus 27. I have to find the ratio of the 11 terms. Understand? I have to find what? I have to find t11 by t dash 11. Okay. Understand? So you see in here what I will do. From here, okay, from here what I will do, I will take 2 common. Understand? From the left hand side I will take 2 common. You see 2 common, if I take what I will get, a plus n minus 1 by 2 a plus n minus 1 by 2 d by again 2 common a dash plus n minus 1 by 2 d dash is equals to 7n plus 1 by 4n plus 27. Understand? Okay, so in here what I will get, you see 2 cut. Ultimately I will get a plus n minus 1 by 2d by a dash plus n minus 1 by 2d dash. Done is equals to 7n plus 1 by 4n plus 27 I will get. Yes. Okay. Now you see in here I have to find the ratio of their 11 terms. Yes, I have to find the ratio of their 11 terms. Understand? So 11 terms, how it will look? It will look as a plus 10d. Yes or no? T11 is equals to, how do we write? T11 is equals to a plus 10d. So in order for this to be the 11th term of the AP, n minus 1 by 2 should be what? N minus 1 by 2 should be, its value should be is equals to 10. Then only this will be a plus 10d. Then only this will be the 11th term. And down one also, a dash plus n minus 1 by 2. This value, it should be what? It should be 10. Understand? So in here, therefore I will write. In here, therefore I will write, since we have to find the ratio, of the 11 terms, so therefore this value will be n minus 1 by 2. This will be is equals to 10. So ultimately n is equals to, I will get how much? N is equals to, I will get 21. Understand? N value I will get is equals to 21. this n value 21 I will directly put it in here. Understand? So therefore, so this is, you see, therefore what I will get, therefore the ratio of the 11 terms, therefore the ratio of the 11 terms of the AP, this is equals to 7 into 21 plus 1 by 4 into 21 plus 27 is equals to how much I will get, is equals to this one. If I solve it, I will get 147 plus 1 by 84 plus 27. Ultimately I will get 148 by 111. Yes, this will be my answer. This one more time I am explaining. Okay, it is very easy there. There is nothing to worry about. This is very easy there. You see, question: ratio of the sum of the n terms of two arithmetic progression. Understand? Sum of an arithmetic progression. The sum of an arithmetic progression up to n terms. The sum of the arithmetic progression up to n terms. By what formula do we write? This is, we write it by the formula of Sn is equals to n by 2 twice a plus n minus 1 into d. Yes, so in here two arithmetic progression are there whose ratio of their sum is given up to n terms. Understand? Their ratio of the sum is given up to n terms. So therefore I can write it as Sn by S dash n, yes, is equals to 7n plus 1 by 4n plus 27. Now this one, if I break it into formula, I will get n by 2 twice a plus n minus 1 into d by, this will be n by 2. N will remain n only because number of terms it is same. But since they are both two different APs, so therefore first term and common difference will be different. So therefore twice a dash plus n minus 1 d dash is equals to 7n plus 1 by 4n plus 27. This one and this one cut. Ultimately I will, what I will get? Twice a plus n minus 1 d by twice a dash plus n minus 1 d is equals to 7n plus 1 by 4n plus 27. Understand? Now you see the question, what I have to find? I have to find the ratio of the 11th terms. Ratio of the sum was given up to n terms. Now I will have to find the ratio of the 11 terms of the AP. Understand? So in order, this one you see twice a plus n minus 1 d I got, no? Yes or no? So in terms the formula is what? Let's say 11 term. 11 term, how you will write? A plus 10d you will write or not? A plus 10d. This is in the form of twice a plus n minus 1 into d there. Yes, in here 2 not there, no? Twice a plus 10d there over 2 not there. So therefore in here what I will do? I will take 2 common. So this is a plus n minus 1 by 2 into d I will get. Okay, and down also 2 common. A plus n minus 1 by 2 d dash I will get. Understand? D dash is equals to 7n plus 1 by 4n plus 27. 2 cut. Now you see, in order to find the ratio of the 11 terms, I am finding the ratio of the 11 terms. So this value should be what? This value should be 10. Then only this one will be T11. Then only this one will be T11. T11 by T dash 11. Yes, A plus 10D. Yes or no? T11 it is what? A plus 10D by, this will be A plus 10D dash. Yes, understand? So therefore this value n minus 1 by 2 value, it should be 10. Understand? So therefore we will write that since we have to find the ratio of the 11 terms, yes, 11 terms, so therefore n minus 1 by 2, its value will be is equals to 10. From there I will get that n value is 21, and this n value 21 I will put it in here and find the ratio. That much only I will have to do, again nothing there. I hope you have understood. Next I will go to question number 21. Okay, If you have got any doubt, you please write it in the comment section. So this is question number 21. In an AP, prove that TP plus TP plus 2Q is equals to twice P plus Q. So in an AP, prove that TP plus TP plus twice Q is equals to twice TP plus Q. So first of all, I will take the LHS, which is TP plus TP plus twice Q. So TP means the pth term, which I can write it as A plus P minus 1D, and this is TP plus qth term, which I can write as A P plus 2Q minus 1D. So now you see this one, A plus PD minus D plus A plus PD plus twice QD minus D. Now in here you see what I will get. A plus A, this one I can write it as A plus PD, okay, plus twice QD minus D minus D. So this is equals to twice A plus twice PD plus twice QD minus twice D. So now from here, if I take 2 common, I will get A plus PD plus QD minus D. So twice A plus, so from here you see I will get P plus D minus 1, D common I will take, okay, PD plus QD minus D, from there I will take D common. So this thing, you see, this thing what became, it became P plus qth term. Yes, this thing it became P plus qth term. So this one is equals to twice, this will be P plus Q, which is equals to our RHS, okay, which is equals to our RHS. Understand? Very easy there. So next I will go to question number 22. Okay. So question number 22, you see, in an AP, question number 22 saying that in an AP, if mth term is n, in an AP, if mth term is n and the nth term is m, I have to find pth term and m plus nth term. Okay, in an AP, the mth term is n and the nth term is m. Find pth and m plus nth term. So in here you see mth term is n. Okay, the mth term, that means it is given that Tm, it is equals to n, and the nth term is n. Tn, this is equals to m given. I have to find the pth and the m plus nth term. Okay, so let me write it in this way. Mth term is n and the Tn is equals to m. Okay, Tm is equals to n and Tn is equals to m. This is our given. Okay, this is our given. Now Tm, okay, if I write it in formula, A plus m minus 1d is equals to n. This one nth, which is A plus n minus 1d, is equals to m. I have to find the pth term, okay, and m plus nth term. So now in here you see, this is our equation 1 and this is our equation 2. If I do equation 2 minus 1, okay, if I do equation 2 minus 1, then A plus n minus 1d minus a plus m minus 1d is equals to m minus n, a plus n minus 1d minus a minus m minus 1d is equals to m minus n. So this one if I cut it, then I will get n minus 1d minus m minus 1d is equals to m minus n. So from here if I take d common, then I will get n minus 1 minus m minus 1 d is equals to m minus n. So now if this one I solve it, I will get n minus 1 minus m plus 1 d is equals to m minus n. This one and this one I will cut. So n minus m is n minus m d is equals to m minus n I will get. So now d is equals to m minus n by n minus m I will get. Okay, d is equals to m minus n by n minus m I will get. So from here, from the numerator or from the denominator, if I take minus common, let's take, I will take minus common from the numerator, then I will get n minus m by n minus m. Okay, so n minus m cut. Ultimately I will get d is equals to minus 1. No need to put this one, d value I got. Yes, d value I got, it is equals to d value I got, it is equals to minus 1. Putting the value of d in equation 1. Okay, putting the value of d in equation 1. So if I put the value of d in equation 1, I will get a plus m minus 1 into minus 1 is equals to n. So a minus m plus 1 I will get. If I minus 1, if I multiply it with m minus 1 is equals to n I will get. Now in here a value I want, so everything I will send that side. So a is equals to n plus m minus 1 I will get. This is the value of a. Okay. So now I will find, now I will find the pth term, that is tp. tp how I can write? A plus p minus 1 into d. Yes, a plus p minus 1 into d. So now a value how much I got? A value I got, it is n plus m minus 1. Yes, plus p minus 1. Okay, p minus 1, and d value it is minus 1. Understand? So now this one if I solve it, I will get n plus m minus 1 minus p plus 1 I will get. So this and this cut, ultimately is equals to n plus m minus p I will get. N plus m minus p. Understand? This is our pth term. Okay, this is our pth term. So first of all in here what I have done, first of all in here tm. Okay, it is given that the mth term is n and the nth term is m. So tm is equals to n and tn is equals to n given, m given. So tm it is a plus n, m minus 1 d is equals to n, and tn it is a plus n minus 1 d is equals to m. Okay, so this is 1, this is 2. Equation 1 minus 2 if I do, equation 1 minus 2 you do, or 2 minus 1 you do. In here I think I have done equation 2 minus 1. Okay, equation 2 minus 1 if I do, then I will get the value of d, which is d is equals to negative 1. So d value if I put it in equation 1, then a value I will get, which is n plus m minus 1. Now I will find the pth term, which is tp is equals to a plus p minus 1 into d. A value I will put it, and d value I will put it, and tp value I will get n plus m minus p. So pth term I got. Now I will have to find the m plus nth term. Okay, now I will have to find the m plus nth term. So tm plus n, yes, m plus n is equals to a plus m plus n minus 1 d become. So a value how much I have got? A value I have got n plus m minus 1 plus this is m plus n minus 1, and d value is negative 1. So n plus m minus 1 plus minus 1, if I multiply it with this one, I will get minus m minus n plus 1. So in here you see positive and negative n cancel, positive m negative m cancel, negative 1 plus 1 cancel, ultimately 0 I will get. This is our answer. Understand? Question number 23, you see, if alpha and beta are the pth and qth terms, alpha and beta are the pth and qth terms of an AP, then show that the sum of first p plus q terms of the AP is 1 by 2 p plus q alpha plus beta plus alpha minus beta by p minus q. Okay, if alpha and beta are the pth and qth terms of an AP, then show that the sum of the first p plus qth term of the AP is 1 by 2 p plus q alpha plus beta plus alpha minus beta by p minus q. So you see, alpha and beta are the pth and qth terms of an AP. This is our given. Okay, this is our given. That TP is equals to alpha given and TQ is equals to beta given. Understand? TP is equals to alpha given and TQ is equals to beta given. I have to show that SP plus Q. Understand? I have to show, to prove that SP plus Q. Okay, SP plus Q, this is equals to 1 by 2 p plus q alpha plus beta plus alpha minus beta by p minus q. This one I have to prove. Sum of the first p plus q terms, that means SP plus q is equals to this one I will have to prove. So now I will write the proof. So in here you see, first of all I will write TP is equals to alpha. This is the pth term of an AP. So the pth term of an AP, how I can write? A plus p minus 1d is equals to alpha. And this will be our equation 1. And again we can write, again TQ is equals to beta. Yes, TQ is equals to beta given. So this is the qth term of an AP. How I can write? A plus q minus 1d is equals to beta. And this is our equation 2. Now what I will do, first of all I will do alpha plus beta. Okay, I will do equation 1 plus 2 I will do. Understand? So in here I am writing in the corner a plus p minus 1d, this is alpha, and a plus q minus 1d, this is beta. Okay, so now equation, what I will write? Equation 1 plus 2. Okay, equation 1 plus 2. So equation 1 plus 2, this one I will get a plus p minus 1d plus a plus q minus 1d is equals to alpha plus beta. So this is equals to a plus pd minus d plus a plus qd minus d is equals to alpha plus beta. So this will be twice a plus pd plus qd minus twice d is equals to alpha plus beta. Okay, so this is the value of alpha plus beta. Understand? This one we will keep it in this way. Again what I will do? Again equation 1 minus 2 I will do. First of all I did 1 plus 2, now I will do 1 minus 2. So this is a plus p minus 1d minus a plus q minus 1d is equals to alpha minus beta. So this is a plus p minus 1d minus a minus q minus 1d is equals to alpha minus beta. So a cut, this one I will get a pd minus d, and this one minus qd plus d is equals to alpha minus beta. So in here this one cut, ultimately I will get pd minus qd is equals to alpha minus beta I will get. Now what I will do from here, you see alpha minus beta value I got, but from here what I will do, d I will common take. Okay, pd minus qd there, so from d I will common take, I will get p minus qd is equals to alpha minus beta. So d is equals to, I will get alpha minus beta by p minus q. Understand? D is equals to this one I got, d value I got alpha minus beta by p minus q. Okay. Now you see one part of the problem, it is finished. Now I will find the SP plus Q. Okay, sum of the first P plus Q terms. Sum of the first P plus Q terms. This is equals to, given as SP plus Q. This is the formula I will have to apply. Okay, it is the formula of the sum of the first n terms of an AP. In here, the sum of the first P plus Q terms of an AP. So SP plus Q is equals to, what was the formula? Sn is equals to n by 2 twice A plus n minus 1 into D. So in here, in place of n, it is P plus Q there. So this is P plus Q by 2 bracket start twice A plus P plus Q minus 1 D. This is the formula of SP plus Q. So this is equals to, this one I will keep it same, P plus Q by 2 twice A plus, if D phi one thing here, twice A plus okay, so D, if I multiply it, I will get PD plus QD minus D. Yes, twice A plus PD plus QD minus D. Now what I will do, P plus Q by 2 is equals to, so this one you see, twice A, look very carefully, okay, twice A plus PD plus QD minus this minus D. How I can write? Minus 2D plus D, like that I can write, minus 2D plus D. Okay, I can write it in this way. Now you see this part you see, twice A plus PD plus QD minus twice D. This is what? Twice A plus PD plus QD minus D. This part is what? Alpha plus beta. So alpha plus beta I will put it in here. P plus Q by 2. This will be alpha plus beta. Understand? And again plus D there, no? Only this part it is only alpha plus beta and plus D there. And D value what I have got? Alpha minus beta by P minus Q. So that one I will put it in here. So plus alpha minus beta by P minus Q. So this is your proved. You see, this is your proved. Okay. So the problem sum, you look there at the solution nicely. It is easy there. If you have understood, it is very easy there. First of all, what I will have to find, first of all, it is given it to me that alpha and beta are the pth and qth terms of an AP. Yes, alpha and beta are the pth and qth terms of an AP. I have to show that the sum of the first P plus Q terms of an AP is half P plus Q into alpha plus beta plus alpha minus beta by P minus Q. This one I will have to prove. So first of all, what it is given? It is given that TP is equals to alpha and TQ is equals to beta. Okay. Then what I will do? That one I will give equation 1. TP I will break it into formula. This is the pth term of an AP. I can write it as A plus P minus 1D is equals to alpha. That will be equation 1. And next qth term is beta. So A plus Q minus 1D is equals to beta. That will be our equation 2. So first of all, I will do equation 1 plus 2 and then I will do equation 1 minus 2. When I will do equation 1 minus 2, remember I will find the value of D. And in equation 1 plus 2, I will get alpha plus beta value. Then I will get SP plus Q, the sum of the first P plus Q terms of an AP. It is given by SP plus Q, which is equals to P plus Q by 2 bracket A twice A plus P plus Q minus 1 into D. So now D, if I multiply, I will get this. Now minus D you see in here only. Minus D I can write it as minus twice D plus D. So up till here it is the value, it is alpha plus beta. I can put alpha plus beta. And plus D there, D value is alpha minus beta by P minus Q, which is alpha minus beta by P minus Q. And this one I had to prove here. Okay, so this is our proved. Now question number 25. You see, if in an AP TQ is equals to twice TP. Okay, it is saying that if in an AP, okay, TQ is equals to twice TP and TR is equals to twice TQ, okay, then prove that that 2p minus 3q plus r is equals to 0. Here TP, TQ, TR represents pth, qth and rth terms of the AP. Okay, if in an AP TQ is equals to twice TP and TR is equals to twice TQ, I have to prove that 2p minus 3q plus r is equals to 0. I have to prove. So in here you see given, in here it is given that TQ is equals to twice TP given. Now this is the qth term, yes, qth term of an AP, and this is the pth term of an AP. So the qth term of an AP, I can write it as A plus Q minus 1D is equals to twice A plus P minus 1D. Finished? Okay. So now in here you see, if I solve it a little bit, A plus QD minus D is equals to twice A plus this one, it will become twice A plus twice P minus 1D. So this is A plus QD minus D is equals to twice A plus this one, if I multiply it, twice PD minus twice D I will get. So this is A, if I bring it this side, A minus twice A is equals to 2PD minus 2D minus QD plus D. So this is minus A is equals to, in here I will get this is 2p minus 2 minus q plus 1, and this is I will get d. Okay, if I take d common, minus a is equals to minus 2 plus 1 minus 1 I will get. So ultimately 2p minus q minus 1d, minus a is equals to this one I got. This is our equation number 1. And then next it is given that tr is equals to 2tq given. So this is the rth term of an AP, which I can write as A plus R minus 1D is equals to twice A plus Q minus 1D. So this is A plus RD minus D is equals to this one, if I multiply twice A plus twice Q minus 1D. So this is A plus RD minus D is equals to twice A plus twice QD minus twice D. So in here you see A minus twice A is equals to twice QD minus twice D minus RD plus D. So this is minus A is equals to, if I take D common here, I will get twice Q minus 2 minus R plus 1 D I will get. So this is minus A is equals to twice Q minus R minus 1 D I will get. And this is our equation number 2. So from 1 and 2 what I get, left hand side equal there, so right hand side equal I can say. From 1 and 2, what can I say, that this is equals to this, twice P minus Q minus 1 D, this is equals to twice Q minus R minus 1 D. So this is ultimately d, it will cut, so ultimately twice P minus Q minus 1 is equals to twice Q minus R minus 1. Okay, so everything I will bring it to the left hand side. Twice P minus Q minus 1 minus twice Q plus R plus 1 is equals to 0. So this one you see, minus 1 plus 1, it will cancel out. So ultimately I will get twice P minus Q minus twice Q, I will get minus 3Q plus R is equals to 0, and this is our proof. Okay, so first of all in here what I have done, Question number 25, it is saying that TQ, the QH term, it is twice the PH term, and the RH term is twice the QH term. So therefore I will write the formula A plus TQ value it is A plus Q minus 1D, and 2 bracket TP value it is A plus P minus 1D. So P in here multiply do, understand, and this one twice, these two terms you sent it right hand side, and twice A I will bring it to the left hand side. So A minus twice A is equals to twice PD minus twice D minus QD plus D I will get. This value minus A I will get. D common I will take, then this one I will get. So ultimately in here you see minus 2 plus 1 minus 1 I will get. So this will be our equation 1. And similarly for the next one I will break it into formula. 2 I will multiply do. Then twice I will send it left hand side, and everything I will send it to the right hand side. So ultimately I will get minus A is equals to twice Q minus R into D. So from equation 1 and 2 what do I get? Left hand side equal there. So right hand side I can say equal. So therefore this is equal to this. And from here D I can cut. Yes, this is D and D I can cut. So ultimately this remain. Everything I will send it left hand side. Automatically I will get this proof. Okay. Now let's see if I can do with one another process. Let's see if answer comes. So this is your first method. Let's see if I can do with another process. So this is your given 2Q is equals to twice TP and TR is equals to twice TQ. Okay. So now in here you see TQ value it is twice PR it is given. So this is equation 1 and this is equation number 2. If I do, let's see, if I do 1 minus 2, then what will happen? Twice Q minus TQ minus TR is equals to twice TP minus twice TQ. So this one it will become this is TQ, this is TQ. This one if I TQ plus twice TQ is equals to twice TP plus TR. So this becomes thrice TQ is equals to twice TP plus TR. So this one thrice TQ, TQ if I break it into formula I will get A plus Q minus 1D is equals to twice. This one if I break it into formula A plus P minus 1D, and this one if I break it into formula A plus R minus 1D. So now in here you see so this one if I multiply it, thrice A plus thrice QD minus thrice D is equals to twice A plus twice PD minus twice D plus A plus RD minus D. So this one twice A plus twice A I will get 3A. So this and this I can cancel out. And then next remain, so let me write it one more time, 3QD minus 3D is equals to twice PD minus 2D minus minus 2D minus D, I will get minus 3D plus RD there, so for RD minus 3D. Okay, now again you see minus 3D cancel out. Now what I got here, thrice QD is equals to twice PD plus RD I got. So now if the whole thing, if I send it to the left hand side, thrice QD minus twice PD minus RD is equals to 0. If I take D common, I will get thrice Q minus twice P minus R minus R D is equals to 0 I will get. Let me take minus D common. Okay, if I take minus D common, then I will get twice P minus 3Q plus R is equals to 0. So ultimately I will get twice P minus 3Q plus R is equals to 0. This is our proof. Understand? So in this way also you can do. Okay, very easy there. I hope you have understood. Next I will go to question number 26 I will go. Okay, question number 26 you see. Question number 26. So question number 26 saying that the first term and common difference of an AP are A and D. First term and common difference given. In another AP, okay, there are two APs here. In another AP, the first term and the common difference are respectively A dash and D dash. If SM is equals to SM dash, I have to prove that M is equals to 1 plus twice A minus A dash by D dash minus D. Okay. Okay, so first of all, let me write it. In here you see two APs are there. Okay, in here two APs, AP1, AP2, two APs are there. Understand? So the first term and the common difference of the first AP are A and D, and for the second term the first and the common difference are A dash and D dash. Okay, that one I will have to prove here. So now in here you see solution. First of all, I will write SM. SM is equals to M by 2 twice A plus M minus 1D. This is the sum of the AP. Okay, this is the sum of the first AP up to M terms. Okay, sum of the first AP up to M terms. Understand? And SM dash, this is the sum of the AP. This is the sum of the second AP up to M terms. Understand? This is S dash M. S dash M. Okay. So this will be M by 2 twice A dash plus M minus 1 D dash, because the first term and the common difference of the second AP is A dash and D dash. Okay. Now it is given that SM is equals to SM dash. This is given. So therefore these two equal, I can say. M by 2 twice A plus M minus 1D. This is equals to M by 2 twice A dash plus M minus 1D dash. Now this and this I can cancel out. Ultimately I will get this. Twice A plus M minus 1D is equals to twice A dash plus M minus 1D dash. So now in here you see what I can do. This one I will have to prove here. So now twice A plus MD minus D is equals to twice A dash plus MD dash minus D dash. Okay. So in here everything, let me bring it left hand side. Twice A minus twice A dash plus MD minus MD dash minus D plus D dash is equals to 0 I will get. So now from here if I take 2 common, then I will get here you see twice A minus A dash, and from here if I take M common, then I will get D minus D dash M plus D dash is equals to 0. This one I will get. Okay. So now you see D dash minus D I will get. So sorry, in here this one I did not wrote. Minus D plus D dash is equals to 0. Okay, minus D plus D dash is equals to 0. Okay, so this one let me write down this one nicely, this equation. So this one I got twice A minus A dash plus D minus D dash M minus D plus D dash is equals to 0. So now in here you see okay, you see I have to prove that M is equals to, yes, I have to prove that M is equals to 1 plus twice A minus A dash by D dash minus D. This one I have to prove. That means M value I will have to take out from here. So these two I will send it that side. D minus D dash M is equals to D minus D dash minus a dash. Okay, now m is equals to d minus d dash minus a dash by d minus d dash. D minus d dash, both sides I will split it. I will get m is equals to d minus d dash by d minus d dash minus a dash by d minus d dash. So ultimately in here I will get 1 minus a dash by d minus d dash. But in here you see 1 plus, there are minus coming on. And this is, you see, d dash minus d, and our it is d minus d dash. So from here I will minus common take. So ultimately is equals to 1 plus a dash by d dash minus d become. Okay, 1 plus a dash by d dash minus d minus d dash not, because from here I will minus common take, then this one plus become. This is our proved. Understand? This is our proved. So next, this is question number 27. In 3 arithmetic progression, okay, their first terms are same. 3 arithmetic progressions are there. Their first terms are same. Yes, their first terms are same, and their common differences are 2, 4, 6 respectively, If sum of n terms of each of the series are respectively S1, S2, S3, then I have to show that twice S2 is equals to S1 plus S3. 3 APs, their first term are same, common differences are 2, 4, 6 respectively, S1, S2, S3, then show that 2S2 is equals to S1 plus S3. So now in here you see sum of n terms, okay, sum of n terms are S1, S2, S3. So S1 is equals to, I will write n by 2. Okay, this is Sn I have not written because the sum of the first n terms, it is S1 given. Understand? S1 is equals to n by 2 twice a plus n minus 1, and the first common difference, this is 2. Okay. So this is our next again S2, n by 2 twice a, because twice a only it will become, because in here the first term is same, so a only become n minus 2, and the common difference it is 4. Okay, this is the sum of n terms. This one you can write sum of n terms of the first AP. Okay, sum of n terms of the first AP, this is. Then again next, sum of n terms of the second GP. Sorry, not GP, AP. Sum of n terms of the second AP, this is S2. And then sum of n terms of the third GP, sorry, AP. Sum of n terms of the third AP, this one S3 is equals to n by 2 twice a plus n minus 1, and the last common difference, this is 6. Okay, so now what I will do, I will take the RHS. Okay, I will take the RHS. RHS what given? S1 plus S2, S1 plus S3. So S1 it is this one, n by 2 twice a plus n minus 1 2 plus, and S3 it is this one, n by 2 twice a plus n minus 1 6. Okay, so now from here n by 2 if I common take, and 2 if I multiply, I will get twice a plus twice n minus 2 plus in here also twice a plus 6n minus 6. 6 there, 6 multiply doing. So now in here you see is equals to n by 2. This one I will get 4a plus 8n minus 8 I will get. Now from here if I take 2 common, n by 2, let's take, I can take, okay, 2 common. 2 if I take common, then you see I will get twice a plus 4n minus 4 I will get. So 2 cut n, this one I will get twice a plus, from here if I take 4 common, n minus 1 4, and this is equals to what? In here n by 2, n by 2, n by 2, 2 cut. My in here by 2 here, in here my by 2 is missing. What I have done, this is your 6n minus 6, 4n, 4, twice n plus 4n minus 4. So this one 2 cut n I will get. Okay, no problem. Correct there, you see. So next what I will do, this is I got, everything correct there, this is I got. Now what I will do, both side 2 with multiplied, okay, numerator, denominator, both side 2 with multiplied. Okay, so this one I will get twice n by 2, twice a plus n minus 1 into 4, understand? And you see n by 2, this one you see n by 2 twice a plus n minus 1 into 4, n by 2 twice a plus n minus 1 into 4. This is what? This is S2. Again 2 there, so this one is equals to, I can write 2S2. Understand? Is equals to this one I can write 2S2, because n by 2 twice a plus n minus 1 into 4, this is n by 2 twice a plus n minus 1 into 4, this is S2. So 2S2, and which is equals to, I can write, which is equals to LHS, and this is our proof. Okay, so now next I will go to question number 28 I will go. Okay, next I will go to question number 28. Question number 28 you see here. Question number 28, number 1, saying that find the sum of the natural numbers. Find the sum of the natural numbers. Find the sum of the natural numbers between 1 and 100. Find the sum of the natural numbers lying between 250 and 1000. Okay, lying between 250 and 1000, which are divisible by 3. Okay, which are divisible by 3. Natural numbers between 250 and 1000 which are divisible by 3. So the required AP, I will write the required AP is, so first of all the numbers should be between 250 and 1000 and they should be divisible by 3. I have to find the sum of, okay, I have to find the sum of all the natural numbers lying between this and this which are divisible by 3. So first of all I will have to make an AP here. Okay, I will have to make an arithmetic progression. So after 250 I will have to check which is the first number that is divisible by 3. So 251, let's see 252 is divisible or not with 3. 252, 3, 24, 1, 2, 3, 4, yes. So our first term in the series will be 252. Next comes 253, 254. So 254, is it divisible by 3 or not? 3 8s are 24, 1 4. No, it is not divisible. 255, is it divisible? 3 8s are 24, 1 5. 3 5s are 15. Yes. Next comes 255. Understand? And then again one you can search, let's see, 258, 3 8s are 24, 1 8, 3 6 are 18. Yes, next comes 258, and then dot dot dot, and the number which is less than 1000 and is divisible by 3, it is 999. So this is our AP. Understand? This is the following AP, where first term is this one 252, and the common difference will be 255 minus 253, which one? 3, I believe. Okay, so now in here you see, here I will write here the first term A, this is equals to 252. Common difference, first of all these things I will take out. Okay, common difference D is equals to 255 minus 252. Yes, 255 minus 252, so 3 I will get. Okay, so now what I will do here, I will find now I will have to find the sum of all the natural numbers. Understand? Sum of all the natural numbers between this and this which are divisible by. Okay, so I will have to find the sum of this AP. So now Sn is equals to n by 2. Okay, Sn is equals to n by 2 twice A value, it is 252, so I will put it 252. Okay, 2 into 252 plus n minus 1 into common difference, this is 3 there. Okay, this is 3 there. One thing here. Okay, one thing here, I will not write Sn. Okay, first of all, another one thing I will have to find. In here you see the nth term, the value of the nth term I know, it is 999. Yes, the value of the nth term, it is 999. This one we know. So therefore, first of all, how many number of terms are there? That means how many numbers are there between this and this that is divisible by 3. That one first of all I will have to take out. That means first of all I will have to take out the value of this small letter n. Okay, so we will use the nth term of an AP. Now I will write Tn. Okay, this one you see nth term of the AP, nth term of the AP, this one Tn, this is equals to 999 given. Okay, so now you see Tn is equals to, what is the formula of the nth term? Tn is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. Yes, A plus n minus 1 into D. So in here Tn how much given? 999 given. A how much? A it is 252 plus n minus 1 and D common difference, this is equals to 3. Common difference 3 given. Okay, so now this one first of all I will have to solve it. 999 minus 252 is equals to n minus 1 3. So 999 minus 252, this is 7 4, and this one 9 minus 2 7 I will get. So this is 747 is equals to n minus 1 3 I will get. Understand? So now in here 747 by 3 is equals to n minus 1. So 747, if I divide it by 3, 3 2s are 6, 1 4, 3 4s are 12, 2 7, 3 9s are. So this is, I will get 249 is equals to n minus 1. 249 plus 1 is equals to n. So this is 250 is equals to n I will get. N value I got now. This n value means what? The total number of numbers that is between 250 and 1000 that are divisible by 3. The total number of numbers are 250 numbers are there. Okay, total number are 250 are there. Understand? N value I got. So now I will find Sn. Understand? Now I will find Sn. So sum. Okay, now I will find the sum. So first of all, Sn is equals to, what is the formula? N by 2 twice A plus n minus 1 into D. Yes. So S250. Yes, S250 I am finding. So 250 by 2 twice A. A value it is 252. 2 into 252 plus n value 250 minus 1 and D value it is 3. So now 250 divided by 2 1s are 2, 5, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 125. 252 into 2, 2 to the 4, 5 to the 10, 2 to the 4, 5. 504 plus this will be 249 into 3. 3 9s are 27, 3 4s are 12, 14, 3 to the 6, 7. So this one 747 become. So now in here 747 plus 504. This is 11 5 7 plus 5 8 9 10 11 12 1 1 2 this one I will get into 125 505 5 5 25 5 to the 10 12 505 6 202 5 to the 10 202 3 202 this will be 1 5 2 1. So this is 5 6 7 3 11 14 3 4 1. So is equals to I am getting 144375. Let me check the back answer here. This is 28 156375. Am I done a mistake somewhere? 250 125 to the 2 to the 4 200 250, correct there. Some of the nth term Tn given from their 250 terms are there. This is not matching with the back answer. Okay, this is not matching with the back answer. Your back answer it is 156375. 15. This is 56. It is not coming. So where 249 into 3 747. 747 into 747 plus 504. This will be 11 5 7 1 2 3 4. This will be 12 into 125. 5 5 is 25. 5 2 is 10. 12. 5 is 5. Wait a minute. I think I have done mistake in the multiplication. Okay. I think I have done the mistake in the multiplication. So 747 plus 504. This is 11 5 12 into 125. 5 on the 5, 5 5 is the 25, 5 2 is the 10, 12, 5 on the 5, 6, 2 on the 2, 5 2 is the 10, 2 to the 4, 5 2 on the 2. This is 1 5 2 1, 5 7 3 16 2 5 1. Yes, answer I got 156375. Okay, this is the answer. I done a mistake in the multiplication, so this is our answer. So question number 21, the sum of first n even natural numbers is S1. Okay, sum of first, you see, question what saying, you see, sum of first n even natural numbers, sum of first n even natural numbers is S1. And next saying sum of first n odd natural numbers. Okay, odd natural numbers is S2. I have to prove that. I have to prove that n S1 is equals to n plus 1 S2. This is I have to prove. So in here you see sum of the first. You see first n even natural numbers. First n even natural numbers. What will be the sequence? First n even natural numbers. First n even natural numbers. That means the first number will be natural number starts from 1 2 3 4 5 6. But n even natural number saying so the first number will be 2, then 4, 6 dot dot dot. And first n odd natural numbers. First number will be 1, 3, 5, 7 dot dot dot. Okay, now their sum, okay, 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus like that it will go, 1 plus 3 plus like that will go up to n term. Okay, up to n term. Understand? And this one I will have to prove it. Okay, very easy there. You see, let me rub it directly. I will write in here. You see sum. So the sum of first n even natural numbers is S1. Okay. So first of all, I will write first n even natural numbers. First n even natural numbers. Okay, this will be like that. 2 dot you give, and then you write 2, 4, 6, 8 dot dot dot. Okay, up to n you can write, and then first and odd natural numbers 1, 3, 5, 7 dot 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 up to n. Okay, now by question it is given that the sum of first n even natural number is S1. So S1 is equals to n by 2 bracket start twice a. A is what? A is 2 here. First term is 2. Twice 2 into 2 plus n minus 1 into d. Common difference will be what? 4 minus 2. It is 2. Common difference it is 2. Understand? So this one is equals to, it will become n by 2, 4 plus twice n minus 2. So ultimately n by 2, 4 minus 2, it will become 2 plus twice n. 2 common here, n by 2 into 2, 1 plus n, 2 cut, n 1 plus n I will get. Understand? S1 is equals to n 1 plus n I will get. Okay. Now this one again. And this one again equation 1, and next I will check it S2. Okay, S2, it is sum of, S2 is what? Sum of first n odd natural number, S2. So this will be again n by 2, 2 into what is the first term here? First term is 1 plus n minus 1, n minus 1 into d. What is the common difference? 3 minus 1, again 2. 2 is the common difference, yes? So this is n by 2, 2 plus twice n minus 2, twice n, this one cut, n by 2 into 2n you will get, 2 cut, n square you will get, yes? S2 is equals to n square you will get. Okay, S2 how much you got? N square you got. This one equation 1 going to write. S1 you got n, this is n, 1 plus n you got, and S2 is equals to n square you got. Okay, so now in here you see what I will get. This one now you see I will take the RHS. Okay, I will take okay, let me take LHS here. I will take the LHS. LHS, it is NS1. So NS1, S1 is this one, NS1 will be what? N into N1 plus N. Yes, so this one is equals to I will get N square. N square 1 plus n I will get. Yes, n square 1 plus n. And now is equals to, you see, n square is what? You see here. N square is what? N square is S2. So this one how I can write? This one in this way I can write n plus 1 S2. Yes, n S1 is equals to n plus 1 S2. Yes, like that I can write. N square is S2. Okay. 1 plus n or n plus 1, same thing only. So this is equals to RHS, and this is our proved. Understand? This is our proved. Okay. Next, the last question, which is question number 30. The last question I will go, which is our question number 30 here. So this is question number 30. Question number 30, you see, very easy there. A man borrowed rupees, this one rupees borrowed in, yes, and now he is repaying on monthly installments. He has paid rupees 200 on first installment to 200 paying, and after that in each of the remaining installment he is paying 25 more. Okay, that means next installment he will pay 225 more than the preceding installment. Again 225 plus 25 or 250 he will pay, like that it will go on and on. So our sequence here is 200, 225, 250, like that it will go on and on. Understand? So find the number of installments required to repay the entire loan. Find the number of installments required to repay the entire loan. That means how many installments, find the number, yes, how many installments he have to pay so that he can repay the entire loan. That means how many installments we are, how many terms are there, n value I have to find here. Okay, very easy, the n value I have to find here. So in here you see, directly I will write, you see given, okay, given Sn is equals to Sn given our 4050 it is given, yes, Sn 4050 given. First term that is A, first term is what? At first installment he has paid as first installment how much paying? 200 paying, okay, and common difference will be 25, okay, common difference will be 25 because in the next installment he will have to add again 25. Understand? Next installment will be 225, next installment will be 250, like that it will go on. So common difference will be 25. Okay, now Sn is equals to n by 2 twice A plus n minus 1D. This is the Sn formula. Sn value it is given. This is 4050 is equals to n by 2. A value it is 200, 2 into 200 plus n minus 1 into 25. Yes. So this one 2 if I sent it that side, 4050 into 2, 2 zeros are 5 to the 10, 2 zeros are 0, 1, 4 to the 8, 8100 is equals to n 400 plus 5n minus 5. Okay. So this is 8100 is equals to 400n plus 5n square minus 5n. Understand? So this one you see, let me bring it in the quadratic equation form. Okay, this one I will send it here. So this one I can write it as 5n square 400n minus 5n I will get plus 395. Yes, plus 395n, and this one I will, if I bring it this side, I will get minus 100 is equals to 0 I will get. Okay, everything correct there. Now if I take 5 common, then I will get n square 395 divided by 5, 5 7s are 35, 45 5 9s are. This one I will get 79n minus, from here if I take 5 common, 5 1s are 5, 3 5 6 are 30, 105 2s are 10. I will get 1620 I will get is equals to 0. So ultimately I will get n square plus 79n minus 1620 is equals to 0 I got. Okay. So this is I got in the form of quadratic equation. N value now I will find by splitting the middle term. Okay. So 1620 splitting the middle term you have already learned. 5 with go, 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10, 5 4s are 20, 2 with go, 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, 2 2s are 4, 2 2 81, 3 27, 3 9, 3 3 3 1. Yes. So this one you see 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, and next one your, have I done a mistake somewhere? 5. Oh sorry, I have done a mistake here. This was 25. Okay, this was 25. I have done a mistake here. Let me correct it. So this one 405 into 2, 5 to the 10, 2 0 0 1, 4 to the 8. So this is 8100 is equals to n 400 plus this is 25n minus 25 I will get. Yes, 25n minus 25 I will get. So 8100 is equals to 400n plus 25n square minus 25n I will get. Yes. So 400n minus 25, how much I will get? 400 minus 25, 10 5, this is 9 7 3, 375 I will get. So this one you see, if I write it in form of a quadratic equation, this one 8100 is equals to 25n square plus 375n become. Okay, now this thing I will send it this side.
So this one in form of a quadratic equation, if I write, I will get 25n square plus 375n minus 8100 is equals to 0 I will get. Okay. So now from here, can I take 25 common? 25, 375, 125, 215, 25, 5, 15 I will get. And 25, 8, 1, 0, 0, 25, 25, 2, 3, 3, 5 is 15, 3 2 is 6, 375, this is 11, 6, 0, 25 into 4, no, 2, 25, 2 is 50, 1, 0, 0, 25, 4 is. So this one, 25 if I take common, then I will get n square, okay, n square plus 15n minus 324 is equals to 0 I will get. Understand? 324. So ultimately I will get n square plus 15n minus 324 is equals to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation. Now this quadratic equation, I will have to splitting the middle term do. Okay, I will splitting the middle term I will do. So 324, 2 will go, 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 2s are 4, 81, 327, 39, 33, 31. So in here you see 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12. 27 minus 12, 15 I will get. N square plus 27n minus 12n minus 324 is equals to 0. N common, n plus 27 minus 12 common, n plus 27 is equals to 0 I will get. So this is become n minus 12 and n plus 27 is equals to 0. This is n, okay, this one n there. 27. Yes, so in here either I can write n minus 12 is equals to 0 or n plus 27 is equals to 0. So from here I will get n is equals to 12 and from here I will get n is equals to minus 27. So now n is what? N is the number of terms, yes or no, or the number of installments, and number of terms cannot be a negative value. Understand? Number of terms cannot be a negative value. So n is equals to minus 27 I will not take. N is equals to 12 I will take. So n value I got 12. So therefore last one sentence just I can write, therefore the number of installments, okay, the number of installments required to repay, number of installments required to repay the entire amount, this will be is equals to how much? 12. Understand? This will be is equals to 12. Okay, this is our answer. Understand? This is our last question, that is question number 30, and with this your exercise 6.2 it is over. If you have any doubt, you please write it in the comment section. Okay, I hope you have understood. This one it is or, okay, or n plus 27 is equals to 0. Okay, so n is equals to minus 27 become. Okay, so if you have any doubt, you please write it in the comment section. Okay, I hope you have understood. Thank you.